For coming to day 3. Really excited for all the talks we'll be listening to today. Yesterday was fabulous. We had a great number of sessions and discussions. I encourage you to ask questions, tweet. That's wonderful too. There's quite an active Twitter feed going on for the conference. So this morning, there are not too many announcements, not too much housekeeping. You may have noticed some chocolates out on the table where registration is. Please help yourself. Those are great. There's surveys to do as well. If you can, if you have a bit of time, just to fill out a few questions about the conference. There's a basket there. The poster session will continue during the day today, and that room will be open to us until the afternoon break. So you have time to wander around. You can hang out there during lunch as well. That's it for me, and I want to thank you formally before I'm off the stage again for coming, for participating, being active, being excited about the MoBE. This has been an amazing experience over the last 5-10 years. I've been involved the last 6 years. It's been great. And as you know, this is a very interactive conference. We have a number of time periods today. We can continue to discuss things and chat. But to kick us off today, I'm first going to introduce Jordan Peccia. He's going to talk to you about upcoming conference he wants to announce, and then we'll get the session started.
Thanks, Lynn.
Sure. There's handouts too. Your handouts are out.
Okay. I just want to, there we are. So, good morning, colleagues. As the fall turns into the winter and we all feel a little bit of discontent, you may be asking yourself, why am I the one who feeds the dog and walks the dog, but the dog likes my spouse more? Or, what did the department chair mean when he said, Jordan has a unique research program? Well, picture yourself here when you're thinking these thoughts this winter. It's my pleasure to announce to you that a proposal has been accepted for a Gordon Research Conference on building microbiology. So the first, there we go. So the first Gordon Research Conference, entitled Microbiology of the Built Environment, not sure where we got that name, is scheduled for July 15th through 20th, 2018. You are all invited to attend. I am the first chair of this conference, and Jessica Green from the University of Oregon in Phylogeny will be the co-chair. This means that the fun and the science, which are the same thing, from the Sloan MoBE program doesn't end here today. It goes on every 2 years to infinity. It'll be the same MoBE research topics, but we'll be extending and growing the research areas as well as the research community. So the theme of this year's conference is Human Health in the Building Microbiome. We'll cover a large range of MoBE topics in ecology, building science, and human health. The conference will be held in this bucolic setting in southern Maine. It's at the University of New England in a town called Biddeford, Maine. It's 16 miles south of Portland, Maine, which has an airport, and 90 miles north of Boston, Massachusetts, which also has an airport. Offers great outdoor recreational activities. The conference is informal. It's a typical Gordon conference. High-profile research, but several opportunities for students, postdocs, senior researchers to interact. You may find the answer to some of the big questions like, how do I annotate a metatranscriptome, or who among us is really good at kickball? I think Shaughnessy. Please consider attending and being a leader in this new extended MoBE community. More information can be found, can be found by just emailing me. You have flyers also available that have a website for the conference, or you can just Google Gordon Microbiology of the Built Environment. Thanks. Oh yeah, we'll definitely post on Microbiomes.
I posted a link.
All right.